Dear parents, 你好. Welcome to Back to School Chinese presentation. My name is Linda. Students know me by 张老师. I'm very happy to be your child's Chinese teacher this year. I'm from China and came to Singapore to do my master's degree at National University of Singapore in the year 2000. Before coming to Singapore, I used to teach English in a college in Beijing. I joined SAS in 2006, so this is my 17th year working here, and I really enjoy the day-to-day interaction with the children at SAS. I'm very happy to be your child's Chinese teacher this year, and I'm sure we'll have a wonderful time learning together. This is my family. I have two daughters. My elder daughter Ruoyan is 18. She's a senior. And my younger daughter, Jinghang, is 13 years old. She's a 7th grader. They both attended SAS when they were preschoolers and then went to local school as we are Singapore citizens. And both of them love their teachers and friends at SAS. Since proficiency is our teaching focus, let's look at this Act 4 Language Proficiency Guideline. Act 4 stands for American Council of Teaching Foreign Languages. The guidelines are descriptions of what individuals can do with language in terms of speaking, writing, listening, and reading in real-world situation in a spontaneous and non-rehearsed context. These guidelines identify 4 major levels of proficiency: novice, intermediate, advanced, and superior. According to the quantity and quality of the language output, each of the levels is subdivided into some sublevels: low, mid, and high. Novice is mainly at the word level, intermediate is mainly at the sentence level, and advanced is at the paragraph level. The main focus of our elementary school program is within the novice and intermediate range. The guidelines also show the higher level, the wider the content area, which means language learners need to build up enough words and expressions in order to gain and sustain solid skills in the level before moving forward. What can intermediate low students do? This year your child is in intermediate low 2 class. And here is a simple list of what they can do with Chinese. They can maintain a conversation about familiar topics and answer related questions with details. They can express their own thoughts and get things that they need. And they can ask and answer simple questions. And when they speak Chinese, they can use more than one sentence at a time and some basic connected sentences. So they are at the sentence level, very solid. And last but not least, they'll continue reading some basic Chinese characters, phrases, and simple sentences. This year, the intermediate low 2 students will learn 4 topics. No matter which grade level they are in, they may be in grade 4 or grade 5, but the topics are the same. My home, my community, dining in a restaurant, and let's go shopping. They are going to describe their home and talk about different rooms in their home. And for my community, they are going to talk about different places in the community and how to give directions. For dining in a restaurant, they are going to learn how to order dishes in a restaurant and have a simple conversation with the waiter or the waitress. And let's go shopping, they are going to learn how to buy things and bargain in Chinese. The topics are fun, and I'm sure the children will enjoy learning it. Parents always ask the question, what can we do to support my child's learning at home, since we don't speak Chinese? Well, first, please encourage your child to speak Chinese at home. Ask him or her questions like, What did you learn in Chinese class today? Or how do you say this and that in Chinese? You can ask your child to be your teacher. I can assure you that you can learn a lot of Chinese from your child. You can also check your child's posts on Seesaw and give positive feedback. You can log into seesaw.me to follow your child's progress. After our Chinese class is set up on Seesaw, we'll start uploading students' work regularly. You'll be surprised to see how much progress they can make throughout the year. So stay tuned. If you have any questions about our program and your child's progress, please don't hesitate to contact me. My room number is I207 and my extension number is 6249. My email address is ljang@sas.edu.sg. If you have any questions about our Chinese language curriculum and alignments, you may contact our World Language Director, Ms. Xu. She is dedicated to continue working with our teachers to develop a world-class language program for our students in partnership with our parents and our community. Thank you very much for your support in your child's Chinese learning journey. I'm looking forward to a great year working with your child.